Man, being the shopkeeper is boring.
Ahem.
Huh? Here's the new seed from the update. Ooh, let me see.
What up?
What's this one called? This is the new prismatic called Romanesco.
Oh, okay.
Yep, I'm out of here. Later. Alright, everybody, meet the new seed.
What up, everybody?
Whatever, I just got released. There's no way he's better than me.
I am better.
What?
I said I am better. I'm worth $140,000 at my lowest.
What? I thought I was the best. See, Elder Strawberry? That's how I felt. You're all nothing to me. Huh? Why are you looking at me, cheap carrot seed?
Oh, you.
Language! He started it.